Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter. Here on this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Here we can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.